Hey, what's up guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm gonna share with you my experience working on Upwork for the past 100 days. So yeah, lately a friend of mine just introduced me to Upwork. Like, he said we should give a trial on working on Upwork. So basically I actually worked on Fiverr full time, and I was like, okay, let's give it a trial and see how it works. So I researched about Upwork, and I see that there are a lot of people who are actually making a lot of bucks on the platform. So I was like, okay, let me try and offer my service on this platform, which is YouTube service, and also I think I'll be able to land my sales just like Fiverr. So I was like, okay, I create a gig, I create my account, sorry. So because this one doesn't it's kind of like different from Fiverr. So I create my account, and I was like, okay, what's the next, because I don't have much idea about how Upwork actually works. So he said that I need to send a proposal to people who are actually interested in some kind of service. So I'll check on the list, then apply for a job that I think I can actually do. So I was like, okay, fine. Then I try my first day. I send different kind of proposal. Then I see that I don't get any response on the platform. So I was just like, maybe my message or my proposal are not reaching out to them. I was like, okay, fine. Then I tried send like 2 or 3 proposals in the first week. So then I kind of like relaxed, because it's kind of like strange to me. Why am I sending a proposal and they are not replying to my proposal? So then let me just keep on working on my Fiverr. So then I was like, let me try this platform again. Then I tried to send some other proposal. The first proposal that I got response on, not even my kind of like service, just like designing a WordPress website. So I was like, let me just try and apply for this this kind of job. Maybe I'll be able to win the project. So then I sent the proposal, and the buyer was like, wow, this is very different from all the proposal I've been getting so far. So I've like, wow, this is so great, because once I see a response on my proposal, on the proposal I actually sent, so I was like, maybe the person will going to hire me as a worker, or give me the project. So I was like, okay, this will be my first sale on this platform. So then I keep on proceeding. I chat with the client. Then in the next day or next 2 days, I was like, this buyer is not responding to my message again. What's going on? Is it not available, or is it not seeing my message, or what's actually going on? I was just like, okay, let me just chill and then wait for what will happen. Then up to now I did not hear from this buyer. So I was just like, maybe you go for someone else, because I actually haven't get any sales on my profile, no review, no anything. So I was like, let me just leave it like that. Then I proceed and then send some other proposal as well. So then as time goes on, I got another response from an India guy. So that one is kind of like crazy, I don't know. But this thing is so funny. How could you want to hire me for a project and be telling me that I have to watch your videos on your YouTube channel for over 24 hours? Like, yeah, I think it's 24 hours. Yeah, so he is telling me that I have to watch every video on the channel. This is so strange. How could you want to hire me and be telling me that I need to be watching your videos? For what reason? That doesn't sound professional to me. So I was just like, I can't do this kind of job. It's funny. Like, how will I be watching your videos? You want to hire me for a YouTube manager to optimize your video, your channel, and then you're coming up with video idea, then video keywords as well. Then you are telling me that for me to get hired, then I need to watch your video. That doesn't sound professional to me. Then I fuck it off. Like, I tell him that I'm not actually interested. So then he moved on. Then yesterday I got another response on a proposal like YouTube as well. So I feel like, great, this will be my first sales on this platform. Then the buyer sent me a message. I was like, hey, what's up? So he asked me that I should send some of the YouTube channels that I've actually worked on. Then I gathered like 5 or 6 channels that I sent to him to preview the projects that I've done so far. Then he checked them out. Then it was like, wow, that's so great. Then definitely we are going to work together, hopefully. So I was like, okay, fine. Then he asked me for how much I'll be charging for a single project, which I'll be coming up with video title, keywords and description. So I was like, $30 is kind of like fair to start. $30 is fair. Actually, if I have done some projects on my profile, definitely that $30 is kind of like low for the kind of service, because I have to do a lot of research about the stuff, then come up with one that actually work for the channel. Then because the goal is just to achieve maybe watch hour, video views, subscribers and all that. Definitely you'll be able to you kind of like looking for something great from me. And due to the fact that you have seen some of the projects that I've actually worked on, definitely you are actually interested in my service. So then I tell him $30. Then it was like, $30 is too much. Really? $30 is too much? Then I asked him, what is your budget? Like, you should have a budget. So far I've told you my own price. Then definitely you should have a budget, what you can spend on that kind of things. Then I don't get a response again. What's going on? No response again. Is that how the platform actually works? I don't know. But what actually amazed me about the whole stuff is this: any project I got response on, I have three response on all the projects that I've been sending so far. I've sent like, I think I've sent like 20 or 15 project or proposals. I've sent like 15 proposals or 20 proposals. I only got 3 response. Really? So all the 3 response actually fetch me my connect back, because definitely Upwork work with connect. So if you don't have any connect, definitely you won't be able to send a proposal. So I was able to get 30 connects back, which is 10 connects per each proposal. So I was like, okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. Even though Fiverr works without connect, but they give you like 10 offer which you can send to buyers every day. So that's kind of like different. But on Upwork here, it works based on connect, and you can actually buy connect on the whole platform. So what's my experience so far about this platform? What I actually notice is this: should I say it's actually better than Fiverr platform? Not should I say that, really? What I actually think is this: what you can earn on Upwork is kind of like different from Fiverr, because this platform work based on hourly rate, and that is kind of like huge, because there are some sellers that are charging like $125 for 1 hour, working for just 1 hour, either video editing or YouTube SEO or video creation or article writing or copywriting. It just depends on how the niche you are and how your profile is. So I was just like, I can just start with $10, and I think that's kind of like fair to start with. But I don't know why is it that hard for me to get a job on the platform. I don't know. But my friend that actually introduced me to this platform have got sales, and yet he's still making some sales as well. And another friend of mine, I was like, and also I think like maybe my profile is not really appealing. I write my own profile by myself. I was like, maybe it doesn't appealing. Like let me just try hire someone that will work on it for me, then help me write my bio like that. So I hire someone, and yet I'm still not getting sales. I don't understand. Or is there anything I supposed to be doing which I supposed to add to my profile? And I check a lot of profile on my niche, which is YouTube SEO. I check different type of seller profile, and I see that there is nothing different. Only the different thing is that I don't have any sales on my gig and no review on my account. So I feel so sad. Like I see. So because actually though, if I worked on Fiverr for that 3 months, I not get it, I would be like, what? That doesn't it can never happen. It can't happen. Like, I'll get sales no matter how. I'll get sales, but this Upwork kind of like strange to me. Like, I don't get it. So hard for me. I think like I just take it like Fiverr. So far, I have lots of experience working on Fiverr, and that shouldn't be hard for me to work on. So, but it's different. It's all different. But I actually wish to work on the platform, and it's huge. Upwork is huge because the buyer on the platform they're kind of like rich. I should be sincere, they're kind of like rich. On like 2 or 3 days ago, I found a seller that make like over $200,000 on the platform, and this is not about the ranking or ranking of a gig on just like Fiverr. So it's different. I wish to get a lot of sales on Upwork. Like, seriously, I wish to get a lot of sales on Upwork, and I wish to work full-time on Upwork as well, just like I used to do on Fiverr. So basically, with that all being said, that is just my experience about Upwork, and I think if anyone can give it a try, actually worth it. Just about sending a proposal and how it should catch the buyer's attention. So that is what I actually think, and then there is nothing really much after that, because you just need to make sure that your profile actually stand out. Even though my profile stand out, and yet I'm still unable to get my first sales on the Upwork platform. But of course, I believe very soon I'll be able to land my first sales on Upwork. So this is what I have for you in this video, and I hope you are able to learn 1 or 2 things in this video. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.